हाय गाइस, वेलकम बॅक टू आवर चॅनल ट्वाइस नाइस. गणेश चतुर्थीची तुम्हाला हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.
इस वीडियो में हमने 2 लुक्स क्रिएट किए हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी हाउ वी क्रिएटेड दीज लुक्स, प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग द वीडियो.
Hi guys, so the first thing I'm using is a moisturizer from Cetaphil. ऑलरेडी मैंने क्लेंज और टोन कर लिया है, तो अब मैं मॉइस्चराइजर लगा रही हूँ. नेक्स्ट आई एम अप्लाइंग वैसलीन टू मॉइस्चराइज माई लिप्स. टू एज द बेस आई हैव यूज्ड नाइका प्रेप मी अप प्राइमर, ताकि जो ओपन पोर्स है वो ब्लर आउट हो जाए. I have used LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal my dark spots and under eye area. I am in the shade medium beige and I don't usually wear foundation. Next, to set my concealer, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Compact using a fluffy brush from Miniso. I am in the shade 310. Now I am blending it all in with a foundation brush from Miniso. For my brows, I have used these two colors from Maybelline palette. Now for my eyeshadow, I am using shimmery golden shade from Miniso and Nykaa Lip and Cheek tint in the shade Samantha. Placing the tint all over the lid and then blending it with my fingers. Now applying the golden shimmery shade on the center of my eyelids. Now blending both the shades with the help of a brush. For eyeliner, I am using the basic black Lakme Insta Liner. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Mascara with Miniso Eyelash Curler. Done. For the blush, I am using the same Nykaa Lip and Cheek tint. Blending it with a fluffy brush. For my lips, I am again using the Nykaa Lip and Cheek tint. Now for the extra glow, I am using the Sivana Bricks highlighting palette, highlighting all the high points of my face. Ready! Setting it all in with a setting spray. Adding in some oxidized earrings with some bindi.
Hey guys, first I'm using Wow Skin Science Lavender and Rose Toner. मैंने ऑलरेडी फेस वॉश कर लिया था. अब टोनर को कॉटन पैड की हेल्प से मैं अच्छे से पूरे फेस पे लगा रही हूँ. इसके बाद आई एम यूजिंग कैक्टस बॉडी योगर्ट फ्रॉम बॉडी शॉप एज मॉइस्चराइज़र, क्योंकि मेकअप स्टार्ट करने से पहले फेस मॉइस्चराइज करना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. For primer, I have two options: aloe vera gel from Patanjali and Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. For now, I am using the one from Nykaa. Applying primer is an important step too before starting the makeup. Now I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I am in shade 128 Warm Nude. I am taking the product on my fist and applying it with my finger. To blend it properly, I am using a beauty blender. I am covering the whole face with foundation by dabbing it in with the blender. Moving on to concealer, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, shade 36 Golden. I am applying it under my eyes and on acne marks. Again, I am using the blender to apply the concealer. Now I am using Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Compact. I am in shade Ivory 01. I am using a brush to apply the compact on my face. थोड़ा सा compact मैंने गले पर भी apply कर लिया है. अब मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette from Lakme Absolute. I am using this pink shade as my transition shade because the saree I am wearing is partly pink. Now I'm using Lakme 9to5 eye color golden shade. It's a festive look, so why not? Now I'm carefully applying it near my eye line. Lakme eyeliner. I'm trying to make a wing eye, but let's see what happens. Now applying Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I'm applying it on my lower lashes also. Now I'm applying Lakme Iconic Kajal. It makes my eyes look bigger, which they are clearly not. Moving on to eyebrows. I'm using Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. It comes with a brush. Now it's time to blush. For blush. I'm using Lakme Peach Blush. I'm applying it with Nykaa Kabuki brush. I have two options for lipstick, but I'm going with this one. It's from Masaba by Nykaa collection. Shade Killing Me Softly. Now to set the entire makeup and make it long lasting, I'm using Makeup Fixer from Swiss Beauty. And I love to apply bindi for traditional looks. Now I'm wearing these silver jhumkis with pink beads. I'm using hair serum from L'Oreal Professional to add some shine and smooth texture to my hair. Completing the look with liquid sindoor from Color Bar.
Hope you guys liked our looks that we have created for Ganpati.
अगर आप ऐसे और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज हमें कमेंट्स में बताइए.
Please subscribe to our channel.
It will inspire us to create more videos for you guys.
Thanks for watching.
See you soon.
Ganpati Bappa Moria!